Forgive people so that perhaps Allah may forgive you. True love doesn't end at death. If Allah will, it will continue in Jannah. He who kneels before Allah can stand before anyone. If Allah guide you to remember Him, it is a sign that Allah loves you. You stay away from the sins of tongue. I am never alone. Allah is always there with me. I have a lot to be thankful for. I am healthy, happy, and I am loved. Alhamdulillah. It is difficult to be patient with waste. That reward of being patient is worse. Stay close to the people who love Allah and remind you about Allah. If you want guaranteed success, make every effort to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.